Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to this Monday afternoon, July 18th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile SPY IWMN triple Qs. And that was quite a reversal. To be honest with you, not one I expected. I didn't have a good day, but I didn't get crushed, but certainly not what I expected. With the gap higher and with the momentum looking like it wanted to try to go high, I thought we would have a better chance of testing at least that one weekly high in the 390 level. Qs got up to their balance. They came out of an inside week to the upside, came close to their balance high, and totally rolled over. Us and triple Qs just missed taking out yesterday's low. So, I mean, we didn't have a chance for an outside day down, but we got close. We were 7 for 7 wide, us and Russell. We had higher value and gave up the ship. We go out with a triple distribution day to the downside, all three of us. We had gaps. We had a weekly gap, daily gap, all filled. Now we have that one gap below us still. I started the day off okay. I was long in A period. Actually, it was a mistake. I thought we went to go fill the weekly gap. I'm like, I'll take one against it. We were still $1 above it, but it actually paid me the 386 calls. Then in B period, when we took out A's low, I didn't think we were going to have a trend day down that early with everything so much in favor of the bulls. So I took a 386 call again and did okay on that. Then I shorted C period against the opening. 388 puts, and that worked out. Then when D came down, I'm like, all right, it looks like we're going to get the IB low. I took a short. It didn't. It went up. Took it off for a loss. Then it was just sitting there. Now G period. I'm like, okay. We're 7 for 7 wide. We get the IB low. I don't think it's a bad thing to go fade it. We'll get the weekly gap, and maybe that's all we'll do. So I started a position. That position stuck around in G and H. It would keep pushing up. I'd take some off, kept coming down. I mean, I didn't get killed in it, but again, I should have taken it off. When I started flushing, I got out of the rest of what I had, lost money on that trade. And then I did in J and L period scalp shorts, 387s and 385s. In L period, I did that like 3 times. We go out with a price probe. Again, a triple distribution day. Really, really interesting to say the least. In fact, I didn't even write down. Hold on one second. I'm sorry, we're not a triple distribution. Yes, we are. Yeah, we have 2 sets of single prints. That's right. Losing my mind. So what I'm talking about is we never filled single prints in L. So M is one distribution. Then from K's low to J's high is our middle distribution. And then from H's low to the day's high is your triples. You're going to treat it as 3 separate days. Same with Russell. They had single prints in L. No, they didn't. They had single prints in J. And then they had single prints in I. They might be a double because they didn't hold single prints down here. So when your single prints are 2 in a row, it's only a double distribution. And triple Qs is also a triple distribution. They had single prints in K. No, they're not. Yes, they are. L's high to the day's low, J's low to all of J's range, and then there. So they're a triple also. Sorry about that. When I have them in big increments like that, it just makes it a little harder to see as clear. As far as destinations for tomorrow, the upside, we have a price probe, all 3 of us. L's low of 382.67. Then our first set of single prints, they're small. M's high to K's low, 382.77 and 97. Then we have a large set of single prints. J's low to J's high to H's low, 385.13 to 386.52, so $1.39. So that's a pretty decent set. Then we don't have anything to today's high of 389.09, and then the weekly high of 390.64. For the downside, today's low of 380.66. We got close to Friday's low, but didn't get it. Friday's low of 380.54, and then fill in the gap at 378.57. That's a 197-point gap. Here it is still. Then below that, we have the 9 wide POC inside of that. That's right. Where is that 9 wide POC? That was from July 13th. Here it is. We never traded at it. So 380.17 is in the middle of this downside gap. So if we take out today's low at some point, you're certainly going to go get that. And then we have single prints at 377.10, get filled at 375.99 from July 14th. And then on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily today in SPY. So I am calling the daily up. We blew through this balance, right? It was a 5-day balance. We took it out from 386.87. We took it out by $1 and change. Yes, we came all the way back in. If we had taken out Friday's low, then I would have kept said balance outside day down possibly. But I'm going to keep this up. I'm going to give the buyers the benefit of the doubt. I don't know why, but I am. If we take out today's low, then we'll be coming back into at least a 3-day balance Friday, today, and tomorrow, depending on how much we get to the downside. So for now, I'm going to give the buyers their due. We did test the 20-day moving average. We got below it. It's at 381.19, but we closed about $1 above it. So that's 2 days in a row we closed above it. So again, is this sell-off just week-long puking, and now we're going to try to take back today's trend day tomorrow, or do we finally get acceptance below the 20 again? It all remains to be seen. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.